Running YouTube ads for music videos is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. If you don't already have one, sign up for a Google Ads account at ads.google.com. Ensure that the YouTube channel containing your music video is linked to your Google Ads account. You can link your YouTube channel by following the instructions provided in the Google Ads interface. Once logged into Google Ads, click on the plus campaign button to create a new campaign. Then select video as the campaign type. After that, select a campaign goal that aligns with your objectives. For promoting a music video, you might choose brand awareness and reach or product and brand consideration. Configure your campaign settings, including the campaign name, budget, bidding strategy, start and end dates, and target audience demographics. Within the campaign, create a new ad group where you will set up your YouTube ad targeting and settings. Specify the maximum cost per view or CPV bid for your ads. Define your target audience by selecting demographics, interests, keywords, placements, and other targeting options. You can target users based on factors like age, gender, location, interests, and viewing behavior. Consider targeting users who are interested in music, specific genres, or artists similar to yours. Upload your music video as the ad creative. Ensure that your video meets YouTube's advertising policies and guidelines. Write compelling ad copy and headlines that encourage users to click and watch your music video. Choose a thumbnail image that accurately represents your video and catches viewers' attention. Review your campaign settings, targeting options, and ad creative to ensure everything is set up correctly. Once you're satisfied, click the Launch Campaign or Save and Continue button to launch your YouTube ad campaign. Regularly monitor the performance of your YouTube ad campaign in the Google Ads dashboard. Analyze metrics such as views, click-through rate or CTR, view duration, and conversions to assess the effectiveness of your ads. Optimize your campaign by adjusting targeting, bids, ad creative, and other settings based on performance data.